Okay, step number 4 out of 5 is stimulate. So nearly the last step, stimulate. And here we now not only talk about the product, but also the price, the discount, our USP, and what else is important for people to buy the product. So why should they buy our product instead of the one from the competition? And there is always competition. Even if you have a product where you think there is no competition, there is still another product people could choose. So instead of the, let's say, guitar video course, if there wouldn't be any other video course about this topic out there, still the guitar book or the ebook, whatever, is a competition. Because why is it for sure that the reader wants a video course? Maybe also a book would be okay. So there is always competition, which means you really need to make clear what your biggest advantage is compared to the competition. And I write here the same text I also did for the case study, where we talked about the music lessons. So if you want here another refresher, then just go back to the case study and take a look at that again. We also have it here in the text. Here at the end of the text, it's mainly advantages. And now see what happens when food and vitamins are used as medicines to treat all these alignments too. So these are all the benefits that you get from the product. And the same we should do here. How much do guitar lessons cost? Usually 200 euros per hour for my existing clients. So what you do with the first question is already make the reader think about a price. If the reader thinks that maybe a guitar lesson costs, let's say, 100 euros, and then your offer is below 100 euros, then this is good for him or her. Then the answer is pretty much, yes, I will try it out. If the price is above his or her expectations, then the sentence that follows might help. So usually 200 euros, so this is way too much. I thought it might be 150 euros per hour. However, to accommodate new clients, I offer a 25% discount, which means now it doesn't cost 250 anymore, but rather 150. So now it's exactly the price I expected. And since it's already a discount, I should really buy now. So discounts always work. They are always an advantage. And you also have here a limitation in time, only until the end of October or October 2024. Let's make it like this. So you have really a limitation until the end of the month. Something like this, okay? You could also make it a bit different. Instead of writing about numbers, discounts, prices, you can also write something like that. While the competition offers their guitar lessons for thousands of euros, we want to be customer oriented and only charge you 200 euros per hour. If you are a new client, you even get a 25% discount. So you could rewrite this here also in this way, so that you point out that the competition is maybe overcharging or that you have a better price. If you cannot compete in price because the hourly price for the lessons from the competition is, let's say, 100 euros and yours is 200 euros, then you should point out other advantages. Maybe your trainers are better. Maybe your location is way better. So point out your biggest advantage. If it's not the price, then you for sure have something else. If it's a video course, maybe your video course is double as long as the other. Or you recorded it with professionals from the field. Maybe it has great studio audio or something like that. So really point out your USP, your unique selling proposition, and really, which means point out your biggest advantage here.